had thoroughly cleaned my Landroid M500 the previous evening, but it rained overnight. There was a heavy thunderstorm, so I'm draining the water out before changing the blades. Changing blades on the M500 is relatively easy. You have to turn it over, exposing the blades on the rotating disc on the bottom. Make sure you handle the blades very carefully, as they are double-edged and can be very sharp. So if you are likely to fumble with your fingers, I suggest wearing proper hand protection. Loosening the screws holding the blade to the rotating disc is best done with a manual screwdriver. Once loosened, you could use a power screwdriver to quickly extricate the screw from the hole. I bought a set of 12 replacement blades as original equipment from Landroid. They came at a reasonably good price. Now of the 12, I would only need 3 this year, and I plan to replace blades once in 2 years. So what that means is the set of 12 should last 8 years. Assembly of the new blades is as easy as removing the old blades. You just repeat the steps in reverse order. Again, the use of a power screwdriver could be used at first, but the final tightening is always to be done with a manual screwdriver. The next step is installing a fully charged battery. Before storing Landroid for the winter, the battery had been fully charged inside the device itself, removed, and then kept inside the house. When powered on, the mower asks for the usual security pin and then connects to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi lock and the auto lock had been disabled before storage for the winter, and these must be set again now. The next step is to turn on power at the charging station. I usually keep the terminals on the charging station covered through the winter to prevent corrosion. Because the mower is plugged into a power socket that's outdoors, I usually store the plug in a watertight storage box. Now it's time to take it out and connect it again. And now, if you've got a green light at the charging station, you're good to go. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. All good, as expected. And now the last step is to bring them over to the charging station. And that's contact established successfully between the mower and the terminals of the charging station. And now Landroid is ready to rock and roll for yet another season. If you'd like to see Landroid doing its rounds of the garden, including some POV videos, stay tuned for more.